Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. As the Telangana State 10th class SSC papers are going to start in this month, so from today onwards we're going to solve few questions on maths as well as science, that is previous year questions of Telangana State Board. Okay, so today we are going to start the maths paper of 2023 year and starting with section 1. So let's solve all the 6 questions. So section 1 questions carries 2 marks and there is no options. All the questions we have to solve. Okay, let's solve the first one. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are provided. So the centroid is easy. So, center of a triangle, if 3 points are provided, the formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so x1 x2 we have the points here, the points 2 minus 4 plus 2 by 3 comma 3 plus 7 minus 4 by 3. So finally centroid is equal to 2 plus 2 minus 4, which is 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. Always remember to box the answer, because examiner mostly will see the matter which is present in the box and underlined content. So by seeing this answer, by seeing the formula, they will see that the answer is there, they will give it full marks. So this also carries a half mark. Make sure to write the formula, then substitute and get the answer. Okay, let's go to the second one. Find the probability of getting an oval if a letter is chosen randomly from this part. Okay, so what are the ovals? First of all, ovals are A, E, I, O and U. So we have to see how many these types of letters are present in this innovation word. So you can see here we have 1, here we have 2, again A, here have 3, I again 4, O is 5. So total how many are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability here P of the event is equal to winning by total answers. Here the winning chances are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 chances by total how many letters are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 5 by 10. If I divide by 5, I will get the answer as 1 by 2. Therefore, probability is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next the third one. Express tan theta in terms of sin theta. So for this we have to remember 3 identities of trigonometry. The first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So you have to see using which identity we can prove this question. Here it is tan and sin. So here there is no tan. Here tan is mentioned secant. Secant it is 1 by cos. So tan and cos can be related. Where what about the third one? Cot can write in terms of tan and cosecant we can write in terms of sin. So you have to use the third identity. So what I will say is, I will say the third identity, which is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. I will write this first, then I will replace cot as 1 by tan. So this becomes 1 by tan square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. So what they are asking? Tan in terms of sin. So I will write 1 minus 1 by sin square theta is equal to minus 1 by tan square theta. Okay, now take LCM. This becomes sin square theta minus 1 by sin square theta is equal to minus 1 by tan square theta. I'll write it here itself. Just multiplying minus on both sides, I can say this becomes 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 by tan square theta. So if I just cross multiply or reverse it, I will get tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. Minus sin square theta. So the final answer tan theta is equal to, if I take root over that side, it becomes numerator will be sine theta and denominator will be root of 1 minus sine square theta. So whenever they ask you to get any trigonometry ratio in any term, just remember these three identities and think which identity we can use to get this relation. Okay, let's see the fourth one. An observer is standing at the distance 10 meters from the foot of tower. So just assume we have a tower. So just asking the suitable diagram only. So just take scale and pencil here because the diagram itself is having 2 marks. So make sure to draw only with scale and pencil to get full marks. Okay, the first one, foot of tower. So just assume we have a tower straight line and this distance is 10. We have an observer whose distance is 10 meters from a tower. Observer is top with an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. So this is observer. Here we have a tower and this angle is 60 degrees. Draw a suitable diagram. So that's it. So you have to mention here is the observer. Okay, and let's write A, B and C. Then write at A observer is present at A observer is present and BC is the tower, AC is equal to 10 meters. Make sure to write these points as well, okay, because it's of 2 marks, just the diagram they're asking. Let's move to the next one. Fifth question. The sides of a triangle measures, okay, we have 3 sides. Is it a right angle triangle? Justified. So what is the condition for right angle triangle? Right angle triangle condition is it has to obey Pythagoras theorem, which it says square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other 2 sides. So let's assume we have A, B and C. Hypotenuse is always the greater side, I mean the largest side. So root 6 is definitely greater than 2, so this should be the greater side compared to these 2 sides. I am assuming this as root 2, this as 4 and this has to be 2 root 6 if it obeys. So let's cross check. So what I am saying is AB square plus BC square should be equal to AC square to prove it as right angle triangle. So what is AB square? Let's see. 2 root 2 whole square plus 4 square. 2 root 2 whole square is 4 into 2, which is 8, plus 4 square is 16. We got this value as 24. Let's see what is AC square. AC is 2 root 6 whole square, means 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is 24, which is equal. Therefore, this forms right angle triangle, because it is obeying Pythagoras theorem. If it is obeying Pythagoras theorem, then definitely it is a right angled triangle. Okay, this is easy. Let's see the last question of section 1, where they are asking solve the quadratic equation 2 sine square theta minus 3 sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, they haven't mentioned to use formula method or factors method, so I will go with factors method. So what I will say is I will just replace 3 sine theta as minus 2 sine theta minus sine theta plus 1, so that these 2 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Okay, so now if I take 2 sine theta as common, I can write this as sine theta minus 1, and here if I take minus 1 as common, I will get sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So here it is 2 sine theta minus 1 into sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll get the values as sine theta is equal to 1 by 2 and sine theta is equal to 1. So sine theta is equal to 1, the angle should be 90 degrees, and sine theta is half, the angle should be 30 degrees. So both are between 0 to 90, so both the values are correct. So both should be the right answers. Theta is equal to 30, 90 is the solution. Okay, so in this way all the section A questions, section 1 questions, that is all the 2 marks questions are been solved. If you have any doubts with respect to these questions, kindly mention in comment section so that I will try to answer that question again in another types of methods. Okay, make sure what we can see here, most of the questions for this question, except this question, most of the questions I have boxed the answer. So this is a very good habit to get good marks. Okay, every time when you answer anything, make sure to box the part. So here I have to box this part, and here I have mentioned theta is 36. So tomorrow I will try to cover section 2 and section 3 videos. If possible, I'll also try to cover section 4 as well. Okay, so if you want any live session for this type of questions, also kindly mention in comment section so that tomorrow I'll plan a live section where I will cover section 2, 3 and so on. If no one replies, I'll prepare a recorded videos and I will try to upload tomorrow itself. Okay, so let's try to meet tomorrow. Thank you.